Verifying your Spotify account is an important step to ensure the security of your account and access to all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access your account settings. Log into your Spotify account on the website or app. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon. Step 2. Check your email. Look for a verification email from Spotify in your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. This email will contain a link to verify your account. Step 3. Click the verification link. Open the verification email and click on the link provided. This will redirect you to a confirmation page on Spotify indicating that your account is now verified. Step 4. Confirm your profile information. Once verified, return to your account settings and ensure all your profile information is correct, including your email address and password. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication optional. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. This will require a verification code sent to your phone each time you log in from a new device. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Spotify account and enhance its security. Enjoy your music streaming experience.